The X-Men, human-loving mutants who protect us from the evil ones. Here they are, having fun, practicing, enjoying their poses, except for one. And that one is Gambit. You might ask why? Because he is missing someone. But not anymore, Gambit. Not anymore. Welcome back, Pinoy Clicksers and Mixers. So we're here in another unboxing, and as we said in the opening video, we are going to unbox the love interest of Gambit. And for those of you who are familiar with the X-Men lore, you should be familiar. You should know who I'm talking about. Okay, so this one we got from Sir Pablo Cusio. Okay, so we have here one of our last missing X-Men Marvel Legends figure, which is the Uncanny X-Men Marvel's Rogue. Okay, so you can see her power is power absorption. Okay, so nice illustration of Rogue. And then of course we have here Gambit and Rogue. Okay, so the partner. So this is on a clear cardboard packaging. Okay, so we can see what we're getting. Okay, and the quality seems fine. And at the back, let's take a look. So this is Marvel's Rogue. So Rogue can absorb superpowers, personality traits, strength, and even memories from others with a single touch, making her capabilities in any matchup nearly limitless. These talents have naturally led her to be a leader among the X-Men. So this is Marvel's Rogue 1109, and you can guess it, it's made in China. 2020 Hasbro. So let's go ahead, unbox this Rogue so that we can put her in the cabinet. And it's a bit hard to unbox her. Let's see on the side, I guess. So Rogue is one of the core members of the X-Men. Okay, she's one of the sultry, sexy type of figures or characters. Okay, so we are an out-of-the-box collector anyway, so we don't care about the packaging. We only care about the figure. And this particular Rogue comes with alternate hands. So let's take them out. Oh, there's a tape. Okay, here we go. So she absorbs powers by touching the character. Okay, so as mentioned earlier, not just powers, even personalities and memories. And she also has an alternate gloves of hands. Okay, that's good. And then of course the actual piece itself. Oops, sorry for that noise. We have here Rogue. Okay, so let's do a quick check. So the hair is good. Okay, the color white and brown is really spot on. Jacket is fine. The belt is loose. Tight joints, yes. Tight joints. Okay. Okay. That's how we like it. And let's see the hands. Okay, also tight. Tight. Okay. So she's also one of the heavy hitters of the X-Men because she absorbed the power of Captain Marvel. Okay, so she's a powerhouse. Okay, let's see. There you go. Okay. I guess the only problem is that the head cannot be, because of the hair, the head cannot be tilted far back. Would have been nice for her to have a flying post. Okay. Sige. So let's see what other poses we can do. So this was the pose in the box. So that means we take out the hands. Oh, so this is removable. The, how do we call it? The braces is removable. So we have to, I guess, take it out because we have to assume that she's taken, that's part of the gloves. Then this one. Okay, we can keep that yellow brace. Okay, and see the hands. Okay, so let's copy that pose. Okay, I guess this is also the, you have to be careful with her bandana. So you can see there's a gap in the color of the bandana. Okay. Okay. But her eyebrows, her eyes, and lips are all good, except for that there's a missing color here. That's fine, we're not OC. As long as we have the figure, we're happy. So this is Rogue copying that pose. Okay, now let's see if she can stand on her own. Oops. Let's see. Yo. Okay, it's a bit hard to make her stand on her own. Is it because she is top heavy because of the hair? There we go. Walang hihinga. And that is Rogue. Let's take a look. Okay. Hello, sugar. Nice to see you. The famous Rogue ass. Can we remove the jacket? Let's see. We should be able to remove the jacket. Yeah, okay. The jacket is removable. Okay. We're not gonna remove it now, but at least we know it can be removed. Okay. So we have here the seal, I guess, that this is an official product. And it's like, and it's not a fake or what? Okay. Okay. So overall, the Rogue is a great figure. Color scheme is accurate, very much accurate. Okay. And yeah, Gambit will be very happy that she is already part of our collection. So I hope you enjoyed this video and see you in the next one. Bye-bye, sugar. Happy na si Gambit. May Rogue na. Happy yarn!